Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Can you comment, can you like, can you subscribe? Please comment on my page. Your comment, your subscription keep me going. I just bought the tripod for my cooking video. As you can see, I'm unboxing it from the pack. Now this video is going to show you how to set up this particular tripod. Yes, it is actually hard. It is actually hard because I cannot find a video on the setup, and that is why I'm making a video, so that when you get this type of tripod you can easily set it up without having difficulties. Please share, like and comment. Your comments, like I said earlier, your comments, your subscription, your share keep me going. It's encourage me to do more and more. Thank you guys, I love you. Please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Thank you.